Tayo nga ang sales, pero tayo ang buying.
I know na if I sell this, I asked you if meron ka pa wala.
When this pen was released, it was 48,000 siguro.
Maas yung costing yan.
Marunong.
Sige, hindi ko ibenta yun sa'yo. Saan ka makakanap na isa pa? Mahirap. Ay mong tanong siya kung may expected price.
Bali kung ano pa ibibigay, tapos isi-send ko lang din.
Usually kasi may paniray dito. Good condition. Parang almost unused nga lang. Kaso, hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Hey, Pat, welcome to Gentry Timepieces.
SA ka na din.
Dito ka. Ang bagong SA ng Gentry Timepieces. Hey, Gentry watches and pens para. Anyways, what pen did you want to sell?
I wanted to sell this.
This one? Why?
Hindi ko nagagamit eh. I appreciate pens pagka nagagamit ko eh. I mean, for collection siya, yes. Nakatago lang to sa cabinet eh. Tapos lahat ng pens ko, sinusulatan ko. Pero ito, hindi ko talaga ginagamit.
Okay, no, yun naman kasi diba, ever since when you bought this from me, it's not something that you're really right with. It's more of a collection piece. Given that, for example, 2/3 of the pen is the cap. So this is the Mont Blanc Great Characters Edition Andy Warhol. One of the nicer pens actually. This pen was actually released in 2015. So this one, when I sold it to you, recap ng vlog. Ayun. Entire thing is actually the cap or the box on the body.
Pero ang bigit niya talaga, as in bakal to.
So the meat of the business, how much are you selling it for?
I mean, I would like to get as close to what I paid for it. Pero alam ko naman, that's not how the world works.
Let's see. Depends how much you're selling it for.
I know na if I sell this, I'm gonna have a hard time looking for another one if I do want another one. I asked you if meron ka pa wala.
Especially for this piece. When this pen was released, it was 48,000 siguro. Around that amount. 44, 45,000. Pero when I sold it to you, nasa 68. Sige, Pat, how much?
62!
Oh!
Maas yung costing yan.
Marunong.
Sige, hindi ko ibenta yun sa'yo. Saan ka makakanap na isa pa? Mahirap.
Hindi ko bibilin.
Ugali na si Tito Calvin.
Pat, so, 62 asking mo?
Yeah.
50?
Ano naman? 58.
54.
55 pang lunch. Dapat 56 nga para meeting na level na kanina. Pero 55.
55.
Nandi? Uy, pan-lunch na tayo!
Outer box, inner
Ganda.
box.
Ganda pala nung box niya.
Wala na. Nag-deal na tayo.
Pwede mo bawi yan.
Bawi na lang ako sa next pen that you buy from us. I'll give you a nice.
Alam mo yung favorite pen ko?
What?
Ito. Alam mo kung sino nagbigay sa akin ito?
Sino?
Ayun kasi may packet ko. Si paring Cholo. Kasi nung galing silang New York, di ako nakasama.
Happy naman si Cholo.
Oo, happy si Cholo. Ay, happy ako.
Ang importante, happy lagi si Cholo. Diba? Okay, pante siya.
Thank you.
Okay.
First time ako nakabudol kay Tito Calvin.
Ikaw yun, diba? Tayo nga ang sales, pero tayo ang buying.
Grabe. May selling. Sir Patrick po. This is a Panerai Redumir Black Seal. Watch only siya, sir.
Professional ng boss ko, tapos dispose na rin po siya.
Baka aftermarket na
Yung
usually kasi may Panerai dito. So wala. So aftermarket. Asking price yun dito, sir.
bali wala ko talagang idea si boss. Kung ano yung, bali kung ano pa ibibigay, tapos isi-send ko lang din po kay
Yung may small sub-second siya. Dito yung base model.
Pagka na-opera naman po, tatawag lang din po namin sa kay boss.
Kaya mong tanong siya kung may expected price ba siya. Maganda to kasi hindi siya yung base lang na PAM 000 eh. Redumir Black Seal. The Special Forces ng Italy. Dress watch na to ni Panerai. Yung mga dress watches ni Panerai, wala siya yung crown guard. Panerai mo papansin nyo. Tapos para ma-wind. Ito kasi, screw down crown lang. Ganda ng clear case ba? Ayun ang paggawa naman. Si Rolex kasi hindi mahilig sa ganito. Recently lang sila nagsimula ng mga clear case back. Tapos usually sa Daytona. Sa Panerai kumuha ng parts, yung movement from Rolex. So may mga Panerais na mas rare na yung makikita mo dito. Ito yung logo ng Panerai sa crown. Dati, older models ni Panerai, Rolex crown yung nandiyan. Kasi Rolex movement yung ginagamit. Same with two-door, same with parang supplier ng movement si Rolex. Kinikase na lang ni Panerai. Fun fact. Galang pala friend ako, boss. Mr. Klein. Grandmaster ko sa mga ganyan. I need your help. Head only, technically. PAM 00183. In-offer ni client, ayun si client. I offered 75k, si sir is asking 85 daw. Kailangan ko ng guidance mo eh. Kasi hindi ko talaga kabisado yung Panerai. Masuming. Medyo matigas na yung winding eh.
Okay.
It has Panerai sa strap, pero walang Panerai sa buckle.
So aftermarket yan mo.
Most likely. The strap is okay. Good condition. Parang almost unused nga lang. Kaso it's aftermarket.
Probably it would sell about 120 to 140. Yeah, 75 is a good price.
Safe.
Because you need to service it. You would need to spend around 20. So that's getting your cost up to like 100 to 110.
Sige, I don't think it would need parts replacement naman because it's running well. Pag hindi kailangan ng service, after checking, 80. That's all. Kung kailangan ng service, baka hindi tayo magkasundo. Sige, that's all. Thank you, Sir Klein.
For sure, man.
Ayun, narinig mo na, 20k ang service kasi kung kailangan. Market niya 120. Ito, Sir, time graph. So, since itong spring na ito back and forth, may tik-tik-tik-tik. ang tik-tik-tik, ayun yung minimeasure niya. So malalaman mo yung kumbaga health nung relo, kung yung rate nung pag-tick niya.
Okay.
So kunahin ko na eh. Ang ito, healthy to sir. Ang minimum niya nasa 265, so 319 siya, maganda yung takbo. Tapos beat error 0.0, from factory 0. Maganda. So in short sir, hindi kailangan na overhaul. So hindi kaya over. Tapos ipapa-authenticate na lang natin, tingnan natin kung all good yung mechanism, all good yung relo. Pagka all good na siya, bayaran na tayo. Balik na lang tayo.
Dito kaya at 5.
Manipis talaga dito. Tapos matutulog kasi talaga. Itikitan din yung boss. Sabihin mo.
Ano?
82.5.
Hindi na pa, ginit na pa.
Boss, mapatay ko na 82.5. Sige.
Okay.
May thrift shop si sir. Hindi naman damit or ano.
Kung ano, mga collectibles po, mga buds, tsaka mga toys.
Welcome to BGC. Hanggang dito lang tayo ngayon, mag-meeting tayo. Sama ang VP of Operations natin. Paalam! Love, joy, hope, bye-bye!